So you might be in a situation where you're wondering if Snapchat is actually going to start charging you for memories. Now, Snapchat is one of the most popular applications out there, and it's a very popular app. But the memories portion within Snapchat is that one little thing where it's kind of like that cloud platform where they allow you to basically like back up your Snapchats kind of for free, at least they did. But Snapchat is going to start changing that. So the short answer of this is yes, Snapchat is going to start charging us to back up our memories within Snapchat. But it's not in the way you think. If you have less than 5 gigabytes of Snap storage, then you're not really going to run into that. So if you don't really back up anything inside of Snapchat memories, then it's not really going to delete anything. But you will be notified at some point if you are kind of hitting that limit, and you will be asked to basically upgrade to that next, version of Snapchat. So there is a chance where they're going to make you upgrade. They might make you pay for it, but they're not going to just start charging you. It's only going to be like that if you are over like a certain limit. If you're using more than 5 gigabytes of storage, then they might start charging you kind of for something like that. But right now, you don't really have to worry about it. I think, Snapchat's probably going to end up taking it away, but as of right now, that's probably what's going to end up happening. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.